Hello, students. My name is Sayed Markani. I am your instructor for this class. And here is the course CIS 114, and it has 3 credit hours. And here is my telephone number. My extension is 9259. And I am here I am in my office Mondays through Fridays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sometimes Fridays we work remotely, but give me a call if you want to come to the college to see me on Fridays. But I am available in other days. And here is the book we are using. You do not need to buy any books. You get the book through Brightspace. This is the course description, and these are the outcomes of the course. And here, in case if you want to, you have a late submission, it tells you that, how we are grading the late submission, and these are the grading scales in here. And if by any chance in the middle of the semester you feel that, you are not doing well and you want to withdraw, it would be a good idea to talk to your advisor. And most likely I am your advisor, and we will help you. And we are expecting students to be honest. And here is students, notice about students with disabilities. And the college is not, discriminating based on age, race, religion, marital status. And we are expecting students to make sure they don't violate the copyright laws. And in this course, we are hoping to have an interactive course and, an engaging course. And this is FERPA is about the privacy of the students, the instructors. Well, respect the privacy of students. And if we have to change the syllabus, we will let you know. And this is we call it academic calendar. And classes start Tuesday. And you have time until Monday of next week to drop your classes. And there will be a spring break. And it is on March 17 to March 21, and the final week is on, between April 9 to May 3rd, and these are what we are covering. Now let me show you how the class looks like. And when I click here, table of content, you will see these, notices here. Netiquette is when we are expecting the students to, respect to other students, and therefore you go through these links about course procedures, and we are expecting you to have a computer with, internet access. And regarding online courses, we are hoping the students to spend 5-6 hours a week, and then here, next step, if you click, it tells you to go in here. And here is the first week of the class, although you see some links in here, but these are short links. For example, you see sometimes some videos. Here, these are, when you look at here, this where it says read means these are reading materials. Here is, these are reading materials. And these are from the chapters of your book. This is a video. And usually the videos, you watch them, they are 5 minutes or 3 minutes, short videos they are. After you watch them, you will click on, it might ask you a question, you answer the question, and you click submit. These are simple, assignments that are, students do very well. And while on this page, if I click start, you will see the video. And I want to show you one more thing. And that is when you click X here, you close this, a screen pops up here. My recommendation is don't do anything to this screen, because this has the entire book that, we don't use it, all the activities. We put your activities in other folders. Just anytime you see this screen, just disregard this screen. Here is your book. If I click on the book, you will see the book is not it doesn't take a wide area of the screen. You may be wondering what you can do. Do you see here this sign, this If you click there, that will expand and, make the screen much wider, and you can, read the screen. Therefore, if I click here again, and it becomes, sometimes you have to close this screen here. You see an X here. Sometimes if you close that screen, you will see this sign will pop up, and you will, have the screen open. And then I click here again. As I said, in order to do your assignments, you always come to this screen. And then when you come here, you will see other assignments. One of the interesting things is the last one. Do you see here says exam? These are 64 questions, but guess what? For this exam, your grades are not going to be saved. It is just your practice. And here is an interesting assignment here, and you will like this one very much. If I click review questions, and what happens is that a screen pops up, and it allows you, gives you some questions, and here are the questions. You come here and you see an arrow here. You read what it says. You click on the arrow and start assignment. And if you, for example, is it true or false? If I click true, I check my answer, and guess what? It says I got it right. If I get it wrong, I can again go back and correct it. This is a great way. And, because you can get 100 for it, because you know what answer is. Because if you make a mistake, you can, let's say, if I click here and I click check my work, for example, it was wrong. Therefore, I can go back again and then, choose another one. And then I go check my work. Suppose if I see, then it is correct. Therefore, you can easily find the correct answer, 17 of them. After you complete, you click, here, and it will submit it. Therefore, as you see, it is an interesting, it's interesting, and it's not, a kind of as much time consuming as I said, although these are. Therefore, you look at the activities, and there is one assignment that I wanted to show you, and that is, let's say, we review questions. We did critical thinking activities. When I click there, then you will see some assignments, and you will, go through the process and see what it gives you. And as I said, it comes in here. When you come to this screen, you click here. Again, it loads it loads the assignment, and you click start. Again, you have here, it asks you some questions, and then you type your answer here. You click here, and again, it asks you here, you type your question answers here, and then you click submit. And as I said, sometimes you close this screen. If I open the book, look, see what happens. Do you see here, I can't expand this book. The reason is that this is causing problem. If I click this, if I close this, I will see that, and the arrows to enlarge the screen. Look at here. As soon as I close that, click there, look at here, this arrow popped up, and the book is available. And also, in case if you have to send an email to students, to myself, you click here, and then mail. After you click on mail, a screen pops up, and you put check mark in front of the, my name, or you want to contact other students, you click there, and you can find the email address of the other students. If you have any questions, you let me know.